Past participial phrase often ends in ed and is used in perfect verb tenses, passive voice, and as adjectives. In the following, the italicized words are past participles. 1. Past participle in perfect verb tenses. Examples: A. He has eaten a mango. B. He had eaten a mango. C. He will have eaten a mango. 2. Past participle in passive voice. Examples: A mango is eaten. B. A mango was eaten. C. A mango will be eaten. 3. Past participle as adjectives. Examples: A. The Indian Constitution is the world's longest written constitution. B. The mountain covered with snow looks enthralling. C. The teacher, amazed at the student's intelligence, looked speechless. Adjectival participle phrase. Adjective participial phrase contains a participle, a verb often ending in ing or ed, form, and other modifiers. Adjective participial phrase modifies or describes a noun. In the following sentences, the italicized words are adjective participle phrase. Examples: A. The enthralling looks of the mountain catch people's attention.